In this video, I'll show you how to link responses from a Google form to Google Sheets. This allows every new form submission to automatically appear inside a spreadsheet. Let's get started. First, open the Google form that you want to link to Google Sheets. Once you're inside the form, click on the Responses tab at the top. It's the second tab next to Questions. Here, you'll see all the responses that have already been submitted. Now, look at the top right corner and click on the Link to Sheets icon. It looks like a small green spreadsheet. When you click it, you'll see two options. The first option is to create a new spreadsheet. You can rename it if you'd like. The second option is to select an existing spreadsheet. If you choose an existing spreadsheet, Google will create a new sheet inside that file and add all the form responses there. For this example, we'll create a new spreadsheet. After naming it, click Create. Now your Google Sheet will open automatically. You'll see a table with all your form responses listed in rows and columns. The best part is that this sheet is live. Every time someone submits the form, their response will automatically be added as a new row in the spreadsheet. And that's it. That's how you link Google form responses to Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials.